My name is Kim from Mark. I am your go-to lady to teach you how to get people to love your brand. Today we're going to be talking about coffee mugs. The wonderful thing about coffee mugs is that they have a low cost per impression cost. Now what does that mean? It's an advertising term which calculates how much it costs every time someone sees your logo. Now with coffee cups, the beauty of it is that people use them every single day, and that gives them a low cost per impression. And if you add someone's name to it, so that means you personalize it, you even get more leverage out of it. Today we're going to discuss the difference between sublimated mugs and kiln-fired mugs. Now this is a sublimated mug. The beauty of sublimated mugs is they're relatively low cost. You can get wonderful detail and even photographic detail on a sublimated mug. They take a specialized piece of paper, put it into a curved device, place the mug inside it, and then print it. And that device is heated up for a few minutes, and then you have your print on it. The downside of sublimation is that it is not a long living print. So if you look very closely, this mug has been washed a couple of times and there are tiny little chips and breaks that go into the logo. You can't wash this kind of mug in the dishwasher, and you cannot put it in an oven or anything like that. So it is not safe for long-term use, and it is not safe for microwaves either. Whereas the kiln-fired mugs, these are mugs that use a really ancient technique. So when you look at, let's say, a really old vase like a Qing vase that still has the original painting on it that was done in the 15th century, that is kiln-fired. Nowadays we've got electric kilns. So the print is done one color at a time, and then the mug is put into a kiln, which is a specialized kind of oven, and baked at 800 degrees Celsius. Then it is left to cool down. The result is a print that is permanent. It won't chip or fade, so your logo remains intact, and there are a lot of fun things that you can do. For argument's sake, this particular mug, which has got a skeleton branding on it, and they are stackable. So in short, if you want to have your brand last long and create a good impression for your client, go to the effort of doing kiln-fired mugs. Thank you so much for watching. If you want to find out more about our beautiful corporate gifts, contact us on sales@beautifulcorporategifts.co.za, and please remember to subscribe to our channel. If you've got any questions, add them to the bottom of this video so that we can answer them.